Good morning, everyone. Bit of a late start. Went ahead and see that little building over there. Took a shower in there. Felt good. Now we're off to go get some breakfast and coffee. Definitely get some coffee. This Katrina donut.
It's basically just the leftover dough after they cut the donuts out, and this is what's left over, and they just fry them up, and it symbolizes the leftover pieces from Katrina that we've rebuilt.
And these are made with potato flour. This is really good. Absolutely delicious. Now we're going to the store because I need to get you said it's a windshield wiper or a blade? Windshield wiper. I need to replace that on my car before I leave. It's supposed to be thunderstorms for the next few days.
I'm filming my butt.
Am I filming your butt? There he is. Oh my gosh. Foot massagers. Slut. Oh, and they're super soft. What temperature will these keep your hands warm to?
Not a clue.
Not a clue. Okay, he's looking at all this wonderful camo, and this is what catches my eye. Pink socks. Why are these over here with all the camouflage items?
Because there's also lady stuff over here too.
The pink. Oh, they're soft. My brother-in-law is helping me figure out which one I need for my car. What? $4. I'll take that. Oh, read. That's the first time my mask ever flew off when I had it resting on one of my ears. Chased down my mask in the Walmart parking lot. Thank you. Yes. This is my sister's. Not for the kids.
Very much a kid at heart.
This is for the kids at heart. My sister, her husband.
Nope.
No? Oh, she's not gonna let him play with the toys.
No, play with it. It's mine.
So where to now? Back to the RV?
Probably.
Okay.
They have big, beautiful oak trees out back with lights run through it and fire pits and everything for you to hang out with. They've got live music. It's a great little place.
This is why I needed to replace that on this one. Happened in the middle of the drive when I got into Arizona, and it was going like this against the windshield. So I knew it was time. And then this one just peeled right off. So now I know how to replace them. They don't have recycle here. So it's gonna go in the trash. Come on, South. Start doing recycle. Love you.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, I'll see y'all tomorrow. See, decent in here?
Yes, he's decent.
Are you sure? Shouldn't the answer be never? Thank you, guys.
No problem. We'll see you
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I'm coming back down here later on, so.
Yes. Bye, Anuska. Well, she looks so excited. Yeah, she's looking at me at the corner of her eye. Oh.
Farting.
Farting? She's farting while she's looking at me? Great. All right. All right, love you guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Fantastic day. Now it's time to get on the road to get up to my mom's place. Energy drink. Here, oh, can't do that one-handed.
The route calculation is complete. Proceed to the nearest road.
I need to get... Oh, they're sneaky! I'm driving, so I gotta be careful. They snuck leftovers in my car so that I would have them on the road today. That was really nice of them. All right, I am on my way up to Hattiesburg. Woo! Gonna see my mom, my stepdad, my nephew, my grandma. It's been several years. Oh, it's raining. It's a good thing we just replaced those windshield wipers. Oh, and they work really nice too. Yes, it's supposed to rain for the next 4 days, maybe thunder, maybe lightning. I haven't had that in a few years. Wow. Yeah, not in San Diego anymore. Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Ooh, there went my light. Time to unhook all my electronics and go in and say hi. My phone's dropping off of the holder. Okay, I'm dropping my stuff on the floorboard now. Oh, it's a 2-hour drive. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Wow, I haven't been here in Now this is the south, so we knock on the side door, not the front door. Front door is for strangers and guests. It's my grandma. Hi! Oh, hi, Mom. Oh, so good to see you.
Good to see you too. Even better to hug you.
It is so good to see you. Oh my goodness, look at the curls.
Yeah.
I like it. And the growth there.
Yeah.
Yeah? How do you like it?
I actually like it. I've been liking the way how it looked recently.
Cool.
See him when he slicks his hair back.
I don't know if I want to see him when he slicks his hair back.
I look like freaking Loki.
You always have looked like Loki. So she's super well behaved, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay. Gentle. Good girl. Very good girl. You see how gentle she took that?
Oh yeah, very gentle.
Wait, the last one for today. Gentle. Gentle. Good girl.
Tail.
Helicopter tail.
He's like, where's some more? Hello, kitty kitty. Big kitty. Oh my goodness. Where's your tail?
She never had one.
Put in my water cup. She likes my nails. That's what she likes. This is my room I'm staying in. I'm at my mom and stepdad's and grandmother's up in Hattiesburg. It reminds me a lot of my grandma. It's got butterflies everywhere, like me. I have butterflies everywhere. And it's got quilted stuff. She's got quilts on the beds. She's got a lot of handmade items, which are just so homey and so comfortable and soft and really enjoyable when I go to spend time with her. So yeah, I'm glad to finally be here and spend time with family. Tomorrow tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so I'm not gonna vlog tomorrow, and you'll be getting this a few days later. So I might actually catch up on time with my travels. But yeah, I'm gonna take tomorrow off as far as filming, just enjoying spending time with my wonderful family. So have a good night, and I'll see you guys in a couple days.